Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I dah lama gila tak update my YouTube channel. Kat sini I rasa macam dah bersawang dah. So today I decided to do this makeup look. If you guys haven't followed me on TikTok yet, you better follow me now. Sebab kat sana like there's so many short tutorial yang I buat. Today I nak buat a very detailed tutorial for you guys. Get ready with me for a date night. Okay, so my brows are done. I know it looks weird now. So the foundation I nak guna hari ni is from Camellia Cosmetics. This one is in code Butterscotch. This is the small size foundation. So I rasa kalau beginner, kalau korang macam tak selalu sangat pakai makeup, korang should try this out. Sebab jimat lah juga duit kan. So I'm blending this foundation out with my Mr. Perfect Too Faced foundation brush. Just dab. This foundation macam medium to full coverage, which is you can always apply more and buildable, so that's a good thing. Now I nak apply concealer. So this one is from Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This one is from Too Faced, code I Natural Beach. So concealer ni I nak cover my scars like that, something like that, and I nak blend using this beauty blender. Now I'm gonna highlight my face. So I suka gila this one. This is Kill Cover Concealer from Clio. My code is 4BO. Just like that. So for this one, I'm gonna blend with my brush. Okay, now it's eyeshadow time. I akan guna this O2O palette. This one harga dia RM11 je dekat Shopee. You can find kat Shopee. Nama shop dia O2O Cosmetics. So make sure korang grab ni if you guys are makeup beginners yang tak nak spend too much on eyeshadow product. Okay, so I akan pick this color and then I akan blend on my outer corner like that. Okay, and then I'm applying the same eyeshadow color dekat my inner corner ni. I buat macam ni. And then avoid this center part, okay? I'm gonna take a more precise brush, this kind of brush, and then take this color and then applying on the outer corner like so. You buat macam wing macam tu. And then ambil brush yang sama yang awal tadi and blend. Another O2O palette. This one is in code 02. Tadi tu code 03. Brown shade. And then apply on top of the red color. So kita akan letak shimmery shadow. So I nak guna Urban Decay. This one is Space Cowboy. This is like eyeshadow glitter pen. And then you apply dekat ruang yang kosong tu. I'm taking my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This one is in color Black Fever. I akan tarik dia macam wing, a small wing. Fill in my waterline. Take like angle brush macam ni, and then you blend out. You can add on the inner corner ataupun you can skip it. So I can put on my mascara off camera and then I'll be right back. So blusher yang I guna is this fantastic Camellia Cosmetics punya cheek enhancer. So I akan apply dekat this blusher dekat cheekbone. So moving on to bronzer, sebab tadi kita tak contour kan. So bronzer I akan pakai Bahama Mama. This is from The Balm. Color dia is very natural. Okay, so for contouring tips, you need to blend your contour upwards atau sideways macam ni, but jangan blend macam tu tau. Jangan blend macam tu because it's gonna mess up the highlight yang dekat bawah ni. And then I akan ambil brush yang more small macam ni. So I akan start kat kening dulu. And then I akan blend towards the eyeshadow. I akan ambil a little bit more and blend it on tip of my nose. Okay, and then the balance on the brush, I baru akan tarik to the side of the nose, the side of my nose. Now dah siap, kita akan finalize with lipstick and also lip glosses. So I akan guna this Orchid Matte Suede Dime, in code Dime. I suka gila this shade because it match my lips so good. And I like to overline a little bit. So So the lip gloss that I'm going to use today is Camellia Cosmetic lip gloss in Coat Bubbles. So I can apply on top of the lip matte. That's all from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and korang jangan lupa subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow my Instagram, Twitter and also TikTok. And I'll see you guys there. If you guys have any question, just drop it in the comments or in the DM or anything, and I will help you and respond to you as soon as possible. So I'll see you in the next video, and bye.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.